In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Tron, also known as TRX, to USDT on Binance using your phone. Whether you're new to crypto trading and still learning the basics, or you simply want a fast and clean way to swap your coins without stress, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know clearly and safely. First, open your Binance app and log into your account. If you don't have the app yet, make sure it's installed from the App Store or Google Play and fully updated. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm you're on the home screen. Look at the bottom menu and tap on the option labeled Trade. Make sure to follow along carefully here so you don't miss any details. Next, once the trade screen opens, look toward the top area and tap on the Convert option. You'll see several options that help you swap one cryptocurrency for another instantly without using complex charts or order books. Follow the on-screen layout as it appears. Binance keeps this section very user-friendly, so there's nothing technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you actually have TRX available in your spot wallet. Ensure your internet connection is stable, and double-check that you're logged in to the correct Binance account. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues during the conversion. Once you're on the Convert page, select TRX in the From field and USDT in the To field. After that, enter the amount of TRX you want to convert. Tap on Preview Conversion to review the exchange rate and final amount you'll receive. If everything looks correct, confirm the conversion. You should now be able to convert your TRX to USDT instantly without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to check your wallet balance right after. Taking this extra step ensures the funds are credited correctly and keeps your account organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to convert TRX to USDT on Binance easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?